Hello, in this video I am building a retro style snake game, but with a cloud twist. Instead of apples, the snake eats AWS services icon like EC2, S3 and Lambda. I used Amazon Q Developers CLI to create the entire game, just by chatting with AI. No coding skills needed. Let's see how AI helps me turn a simple idea into a working game. Game on! Okay, so sudo apt install Python 3 pip. Yes. Okay, now I'm launching Amazon Q Developers CLI. If you want to see how to install it on the Windows, check out my other video. All I have to do is type Q in the terminal and the conversation with AI begins. Create simple snake game in Python using PyGame. Instead of regular food, make the snake collect AWS services icon like EC2, S3 and Lambda. When the snake eats a symbol, it should grow and the score should increase. And a game over screen if it hits a wall or itself. Okay. Okay, allow this action. Okay, let's copy this. Yes. Wow, it's really not bad. He really creates something. Paste, pip install requirements text. Okay, break system packages. And now I should paste Python AWS snake game py. Okay, Python 3. Whoa, nice! It really works. Nice. Wow. So as you can see, it's really simple. I created this in just 5 minutes, one prompt, and I have my own retro game. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.